Hey friends, Mark with Sprad's RV. I want to go over a real quick, easy, affordable way for you to winterize your own unit. What I have here is a bypass kit and a water pump. This is how a water pump is going to come in most units. We're going to have the freshwater supply side. This hose goes into our fresh tank. When we kick on the pump, it provides suction and pushes water out and pressurizes the unit. All we need to do is go ahead and locate the water pump. We're going to take the supply side off. We're going to take our bypass kit. We're going to install it on the pump. Then we're going to take our freshwater supply and we're going to put it right here. Now what we've done is, in this position, this pump will operate our unit as normal. We're able to pull and pressurize and use fresh water. When we want to get to winterize, we come to this valve and we switch this. Now we're in the winterized position. That will provide suction through this tube, which we put in our antifreeze, and we pressurize the unit. A couple of pro tips. We want to make sure that we do both the hot and the cold. Don't forget the toilet and all of our faucets in the shower in the kitchen, and also the outside shower. Number one missed thing is outside shower. Don't forget that hot and cold sides. Also, you'll need to bypass the water heater. You don't want to put antifreeze in your water heater. You want to pull that plug, drain it, and bypass it. That way we're pressurizing the unit without filling our water heater. You come into Sprad's RV, these kits right now are on sale. You can winterize your unit for less than 35 bucks, and we'll also provide you some nice color handwritten instructions on how to bypass your water heater and install this. But pretty simple, easy, affordable. Come on into Sprad's RV and have a happy winter.